Hi guys, it's been a hot minute. I just want to start this off by saying I have a valid excuse this time for being gone for several months on end. For those of you who don't know, those weren't there before. I had a little bit of surgery. I don't want to go into specifics, but that's why I was gone. Everything's okay, but it hurts to like type on computers, and so that's why I've been kind of MIA for a bit. So I figured out that I'm just gonna go back to just being a drawing channel for a little bit until I can type on computers. I have some files saved up that I can edit, but things are gonna be a little bit more slow going since, well, I'm one hand down for a little bit at least. I hope you guys can understand, and some new content is coming soon. It's gonna be a little bit different than the normal gaming content, but I miss posting, so I'm not going away anytime soon. Just a little bit of a content change. That's it. I'll go back to gaming when I can, if I'm having a good pain day, of course. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for understanding, and can't wait to get back into it. See you then.